My name is Wamuwi Mbao. I am a STIAS Iso Fellow. I teach in the English department at Stellenbosch University. My project is on representing discontent in South Africa in words and on screen. And the title of my talk is The End of National Narrative. My research interest is in representations of South Africa, and more specifically looking at how South Africa has been represented on text and screen, and what narratives can be discerned in those representations. So looking at why it is that certain stories repeat themselves over time and across different genres, so moving from novels to films to short stories and back again, and how certain stories echo themselves, and find echoes in very disparate places from where they originally begin. I'm also interested in looking at the after effects of sort of national stories and national narratives. In the lecture, I'll be looking at the allure of national narratives, why it is that the stories that we tell about ourselves happen to be so convincing and why we form the attachments that we do to them. I'm looking at what happens when those attachments that we have break down and what other narratives begin to replace them when we find that the things to which we held or we gave so much value no longer really apply or are no longer what we might consider to be truthful.